Hi, welcome to InfinCE's Help, where we will discuss managing standard tiles. This is Natasha for Team InfinCE. These versatile tiles can display a variety of information on your dashboards. Let's start with the announcement tile. This tile can be used to share announcements or messages with specific teams or users, or with the organization, depending on the dashboard it's shared with. To add a new announcement to the tile, you can provide the desired title as well as description, and mark the priority along with the visibility of this announcement by specifying the start and end dates. You can also edit an announcement like this or delete it like this. Let's focus on the bookmarks tile now. Bookmarks tile can be used to save shortcuts to frequently accessed web pages. To create a new bookmark, simply add a desired title for your bookmark page or set the URL title as the name. You can also drag and reorder the bookmarks according to their priorities. Time to share some info on the info tile, which helps to share short nuggets of information in a styled format. To add information, click on the edit icon and choose from the 4 available formats: visual, text and visual, rich text, and number and legend. If you wish to share information through an image, opt for the visual format. Choose the desired image, provide the related URL if needed, and submit. Use the text and visual format if you need to include a text along with the image. Choose the desired image, key in the description, add the URL if needed, and submit. Opt for the rich text format if you have to share textual content. Type in the required content, apply the intended formatting, add the URL if needed, and submit. Number and legend format can be used to highlight key figures on the dashboard, for example, a sales goal. To add a number and legend tile, key in the required number, add the description, set the background and foreground colors, provide the URL if needed, and submit. Now let's jump into time zones with the world clock tile. On the world clock tile, click the plus button and select your preferred time zone from the drop-down list. Then, click the checkmark button to add it to the tile. Newsfeed tiles are very useful to have your users stay updated on topics that are relevant for them. After adding the newsfeed tile, you can configure it from your preferred sources or provide RSS feed URLs as the source. Next up is the notes tile. This tile provides an easy way for you to leave important notes or updates on the dashboard. On the notes tile, add notes directly onto the specified area. Use the settings option to edit the title of your notes. Video tiles can be used to share video content on the dashboard. Click on the edit icon and add the URL of the video to be displayed on the tile. Complete the action and the tile will now display the video in a ready-to-play format. Finally, let's discuss the poll tile. On the poll tile, click on the edit icon to start setting up the poll. Provide the poll question and response options. Users can be allowed to vote anonymously or to skip voting. You can also opt to show the poll results either after the user submits their vote or after the poll is closed. Then submit the poll for publishing. Now, participants can respond to the poll, during which dashboard administrators will be able to access the live status. After closing the poll, results can be downloaded in CSV format for future reference. That wraps up this brief session on managing standard tiles on InfinCE.